years that pass us by, just say you remember all the times, all the memories we hide away. So now you're here with me, she's waiting patiently, but what you say? Tell me I'm not crazy, that you feel the same. Oh, don't you walk away, how can I make you stay? Tell me you've been waiting and I'm not too late. I never walked away, how can I make you stay?
Hey everyone, so this is the SmugDesk mesh adjustable headrest lumbar support 3D armrest office chair in black. Let's give you a 360 view. It's a very nice looking chair in my opinion, very modern and clean and very simple. So we'll just start from the top here. This is a multi-function headrest. So it swivels back and forward. And it's also adjustable with the height here. Switch it up and down. A little tough, but it's not made to move all the time anyway. Only when you need it to. And as you can see, it has a very prominent lumbar support here. It's very stiff, but it's also very conforming to your spine here since it's mesh. It's very comfortable. I'll move to the armrests, which is our 3D armrests. So they go up and down, lock with this button here. They also slide forward and back, like so. They also swivel in and out. And as you can see, as mentioned before, that the whole entire chair is made of mesh material. So it's also very stretchy and very conforming to your body, but also incredibly breathable so you don't get hot. And I didn't get a chance to film myself assembling the chair, but took about maybe 10 to 15 minutes. It's very straightforward with the instructions included. So just follow that exactly and it should be pretty easy. The package that it came in is over there, and it weighs about 45 pounds. So just be mindful of the weight when you're purchasing it, especially when you live in an apartment, you gotta carry it up and down. And then you have the tension for the leaning back down here, as any office chair. And then move on to the lever over here, which is going up and down. And it's not just this chair that they have. They also have a ton of other chairs on their Amazon website account. So I'll leave that in the description for their online Amazon store. They also have, you know, luxury chairs or leather chairs, smaller chairs to fit any need that you may have for your chair, and also the look that you want. So it's not just this one that they make, but they also make other really good chair products as well. So definitely check them out. So yeah, highly recommend SmugDesk as a company. Their chairs are incredibly high quality and very comfortable, and also very stylish for any home. So yeah, definitely check them out. Highly recommend them.